iPad lock to owner. Did you reset your iPad only to discover it's asking for the previous owner's Apple ID? Or maybe the Apple ID belongs to you, but it's been so long that you no longer remember the password or login details. Whatever the reason, seeing the iPad lock to owner screen can be frustrating because it prevents you from completing setup and using your device. In today's video, we're going to explain exactly what recovery options may be available to legitimate device owners using IBF Tool. After installing the software on your computer, connect your iPad using a USB cable and launch the application. Once the device is detected, you select the correct model and the system version it's running. And from there, the tool guides you through the required steps on screen. Once the process is completed successfully, the device can be set up like new and basic functions should work as expected. As always, tools like this should only be used on devices that you legally own or are authorized to manage. As you can see, the iPad lock to owner screen doesn't automatically mean your device is unusable forever. Whether you're recovering an Apple ID password, contacting the previous owner, working with Apple support, exploring temporary access options, or using IBF Tool as part of your recovery workflow, there are several approaches available depending on your situation. If this video helped you understand your options, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more iPad, iPhone, and Apple troubleshooting guides. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.